Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 𝗀𝗵𝗂𝗶𝘀. In this episode, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to get Adobe Photoshop 2018 for free, and we're just going to get straight into it. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download this file here. I've already downloaded it, but once you go to the link in the description, you'll actually have a download button. So you need to download that. It's 1.7 gigabytes, so it will take you a couple minutes, maybe a couple minutes tops, maybe 10 minutes tops, okay? And yeah, so download that, and yeah. So I just want to shout out 𝗃𝗵𝗃𝗃, who actually came up with this idea, or who actually has the file. I just used his method, and I thought I'd shout him out. Thank you for you know, giving this method and allowing people to use Photoshop 2018 for free, and that he deserves a shout out for this very reason. So make sure you also check out his video. He probably explains it a lot better than I do, but yeah, let's just get straight into it. So once you've downloaded it, you'll get a file like this. Okay, it will be zipped up, so you'll need to make sure that you extract it using Winrar. Okay, so once you extract that, you'll get this file here. All right, now what you'll need to do is click on Adobe Photoshop CC 2019, and then you'll need to go to Adobe CC 2019. All right, and then setup right here. Don't worry about all this, just go to setup. Once you click setup, press yes to allowing them to make changes. All right, and now you have your install here, so you can actually get out of that. And what we're going to do is we're going to click continue, and then it's going to install for us up the top. Alrighty, once it's done, you'll get prompted with this, and we're going to click launch, and we're going to launch 2018 at Photoshop. And that's pretty much how you get a Photoshop. So it's pretty easy. The method's quite easy and quite quick as well. It doesn't take too long, and there's no viruses. If you think there's going to be a virus connected to this, I will leave a VirusTotal link as well, and you can check it out to make sure that there's no viruses at all, because there's none. So if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If you had any comments, or you want to ask anything, or just have a chat, leave a comment, and I'm sure I'll get back to you. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.